This is Bob Johnson's Computer Stuff, and if you're looking for an online Toughbook community that gives tips, tricks, and support, hit the subscribe and bell button for all of our upcoming videos. Today, I'll be replacing the camera on your Durabook R11 tablet. First thing you want to do is flip the unit over and remove the battery. This one already has the battery removed. Now there are about 20 screws that need to be removed altogether, 16 on the back plate. And 4 on the top here. Once you remove that bottom plate, you'll have access to the camera. The camera here is being held down by 2 screws, and you want to make sure to remove those both. And unconnect. And now you can replace. There's nothing wrong with this one. I'll put that right back. You just want to make sure that all the screws on the camera as well as the bottom plate get put back in the correct spots. Put the bottom plate back on. And you're all set. Thank you for watching. Any questions or comments, you can leave below.